Hello! Yes, yo! We will start today the Bella the Mananahi. Si may magpatahi ng uniform din on. Kapiling. So, this is my first time to use this. So, I need to put this thread in this bobbin. First ko no, ari-diri. Okay. Diri ang first. Ganun. Okay. Huh? Ganito ba? Ay, pababa. Tapos, north number 2. Line number 2 is here. Number 3. Number 4. Saan yung number 4? Tapos, push. Okay. Ay, turn on pa pala. Sunod mo. Ayan. Ooh, with the lights. Tagal. Sige, okay na ba ang lahat? Ay! Waya, siya mo tupuan. Again. Okay, tapos i-push. Yan. Ah! Siguro ako ini si Jai. Cut. Okay, try na to. Then, yun! Ay! Feeling, ano pag tuda sab? Actually, this is my first time doing this. First time in this machine. Yan, gumagana siya. Ano kung tipo? Gumagana siya. Tapos gone. Feeling ng babaji. So, amo na dyan si Jakuman. Let's put some more. So, I'm controlling it here down in my feet. Down sa ubos. Okay. Just have to step on it. Punoon na ka na ito kahit ito magbalik-balik, you know. So, push muna natin back. Remove. Cut it. Okay. Tapos, we'll put it here down. So, according to this, dapat mag-start ako here. And then, dito. Ay! Diba? Directly. Joy, ija pang cut. Amo na ba ito? O naman? Shall we? Tapos ini nata. Ini ibal ista. Dari. Dari kung si dyan. Yarn. Yarn. Siguro lang ini. Number 1 is here. Number 2 is here. Tama pa itong ating ginagawa. Tapos number 3 is here. Number 4 is there. Number 5 is here. Number 6 is here. Tapos sa may sunod. Butang ko na nato si Jar. Doon. Ay. Baliktad. Okay. And then, let's tuhog it. Ayan. There you go, mga people. Tama ba itong ating ginagawa? We'll see kung tama ba ito. Tapos here is pang para makita niyo. You don't need scissors here because you can cut it here. Ay, hindi niyo makita. Dry Japan cut there in the area. There. Yeah. And let's cover this thing. Ayan. Okay, let's try it in any cloth. I have a pink cloth here. We'll see. Okay, suga, so you can see. Put it down. And okay. Stitch 3, surely the 40. Let's start with 3. Hello? Guys, okay, let's try it in the wall. Look, oh, wait, I'll show you later. Jar, not naman. OMG, this is it. I love this. Cut it here. Look at that, mga mukhang people. Yes, maganda ang kanyang tahi. Sa likod ay ganun din, maganda din po. Yes, yes. Now we can start. Oh, I love it. Okay, so this one, I have a shorts here that I sew by hand. So I'm going to now do it with this machine. Let's polish it. Still ka nice. Ay, yes. Okay. Yo.